Ever wondered how websites know who is logged in and how they protect user accounts like login and sign-up systems? In this video, I'm going to show you how Django Authentication works in the simplest way possible, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end, you'll understand how to create login, sign-up, and logout functionality in Django. Authentication simply means verifying who a user is. In Django, authentication helps you register users, sign up, log users in, log users out, protect pages so only logged-in users can access them. Django already comes with a built-in authentication system, so you don't need to build everything from scratch. First, let's create a Django project. Django-admin start project my project. cd my project python manage.py start app accounts. Then add your app to installed_apps in settings.py. Installed_apps equals django.contrib.auth, django.contrib.content types, accounts. Django provides a built-in user model we can use. Let's create a sign-up view. From django.contrib.auth.models, import user. From django.shortcuts, import render, redirect def signup, open parenthesis, request, close parenthesis, colon. If request.method equals quote, post quote, colon username, equals request.post open bracket, quote, username, quote, close bracket, password equals request.post, open bracket, quote, password, quote, close bracket, user equals user.objects.create_user, open parenthesis, username equals username, comma, password equals password, close parenthesis, user.save parents, return, redirect, open parenthesis, quote, login, quote, close parenthesis, return, render, open parenthesis, request, comma, quote, signup.html, quote, close parenthesis. Now in your signup HTML form, make sure you have username and password fields. Now let's log users in using Django's authentication system. From django.contrib.auth, import authenticate, login def user underscore login, request, if request.method equals quote, post quote, colon username, equals request.post open bracket, quote, username, quote, close bracket, password, equals request.post open bracket, quote, password, quote, close bracket, user equals authenticate, open parenthesis, request, comma, username equals username, comma, password equals password, close parenthesis, if user is not, none, colon, login, open parenthesis, request, comma, user, close parenthesis, return, redirect, open parenthesis, quote, home, quote, close parenthesis, else, colon, return, render, open parenthesis, request, comma, quote, login.html, quote, comma, open brace, quote, error, quote, colon, quote, invalid credentials, quote, close brace, close parenthesis, return, render, open parenthesis, request, comma, quote, login.html, quote, close parenthesis. Here, Django checks if the username and password are correct, then logs the user in. Logging out is very simple in Django. From django.contrib.auth import, logout def user underscore logout, open parenthesis, request, close parenthesis, colon logout, open parenthesis, request, close parenthesis, return, redirect, open parenthesis, quote, login, quote, close parenthesis. This clears the user session and logs them out safely. What if we want only logged-in users to access a page? Django makes this easy. From django.contrib.auth.decorators import, login underscore required at login underscore required, def dashboard, open parenthesis request, close parenthesis, colon, return, render, open parenthesis, request, comma, quote, dashboard.html, quote, close parenthesis. If a user is not logged in, Django will redirect them to the login page. Django already gives you built-in authentication views too, like login view and logout view, which you can use to save time in real projects. And that's how Django authentication works in a simple way. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what you want next. Maybe Django projects or full backend tutorials. See you in the next video.